Hello everyone. Fees management system Odoo apps helps user to manage the fees of the students. Now let's get into the settings under user and companies, Mitchell admin, where we can define and access rights for this user as an admin. So admin will have an access to create and fees, not for other user. For other user they can see their own fees created by the admin. Now let's get into a main page where we can see an education management. So in this user can see and fees. So this will be the fee structure which we have created. Let me get into that. So in this we can see and fee structure along with their details like sequence, name, code, duration, account and also the amount. You can see the code as well. Now let's create an fees receipt. So over here let's create a new fees receipt, and these are the fees receipt which are created for other students, and also the state you can see date description. Okay, now in this let's create a new fees receipt for this person. Now I'm copying their name and also I'm adding that as an annual description. Okay, so he's going to pay their annual amount. Okay, over here I'm going to add a date, class, division and also the medium, fee structure and also the journals. Okay, now in this we need to add a fee structure, so I'm going to add a fee structure as an annual. So it will automatically fetch the code, duration, account, state and also the fees amount. Now let me get into back to the main page, so where you can see and confirm option. Once you have checked all the informations, user can click on the confirm option which is available here, and this is a other information tab. User can see and fees related extra informations over here. Okay, so in this, now let's save this one. You can see the total amount will be get. Now let me confirm. You can see the status will be changed accordingly. And in this, once you have confirmed, you can see a three button. You can see which is a pending, payment and also you can reset to the draft. So if you reset to the draft, it will be in the draft state then. Okay, so let me check that. You can see it will be in the draft state. Once you have confirmed, it will be in the confirm state now. So here you can see a pending. So in case if you need to mark this as a pending, you can just click on the pending. It will be change the state to pending, and you can send a mail to them. You can see emails. So this is the one of the mail. So this will be the email format which if we send a mail to the person. Okay, so this person will receive a mail regarding a pending status. Then if you need to reset, you can see a payment option. So before payment, so how much amount we need to be paid will be at 25,000. Okay, now in this I'm going to do a payment. Let's click on the payment. Over here we need to select and fees ID. So in this I'm going to select a same one. Okay, and then I'm going to confirm and doing the register payment for the payment which we have did. Now in this you can see an invoice. So this is the invoice which is created from for this particular student. So we can send a mail to them. Okay, this is a mail. So in this you can see and fees payment will be done for this particular student. So this will be the email format that we have sent. And in case if you need to reset to the draft, you can make use of this button to reset to the draft and you can process it again. And we have another option which is end print, so you can student can print their receipt of their own. This is the receipt format where we can see a student, class, division, date, fee structure, code, duration, account, and also the total. Now we can get into N fees where we can see N fees registered menu where we can see a list of fees registered. Now let's create a new one by click on the new option. So here we need to give an name. Okay, so here we need to give an date, school name, and the number, and also we need to give the journal, fee structure, and also the classes. So in this we can add a name of the students, description, number, and also the state we have to pay. Okay, and also we can add an amount over here. This is another method for creating a fees register. So here in this we can see a list of fees registered along with the name, number, state, and also the date. So in this way we can make use of this module to help user to managing the fees of the students. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.